Hello everybody, today we make a beef pinwheel. For the ingredient, we got a beef loin, it's a pound and 3/4. I got a prosciutto, provolone cheese. I want to use a little garlic and the spinach. And I got to use a little oil for put on the meat. Okay, now the meat I pound already. It looks so beautiful. And I give a couple of shots with my punch. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, now, the start, we put the oil. I put all over the meat. Okay, I gotta now put my spinach, salt, and black pepper. Okay, the oil, it's enough. Now, black pepper. Okay. And now, I use a little sea salt. It's a nice big piece. Beautiful. Okay, now we put the spinach and we start over here like this and we put all my spinach, but make sure to wash good and dry. Look how beautiful, look this already. Already I want to start to eat. Okay, now we got to put the prosciutto. Prosciutto. Okay, prosciutto crudo. And we put this like that. Now, the prosciutto, we got to fill it up all on the top of the spinach. It got to be nice, cover the spinach with the prosciutto. Okay, now we put the provolone cheese. And we put just like that to cover all the spinach and the prosciutto. Oh, nice, oh boy. This will be ready. Oh, trippa mia fatta sac. This one, the cheese, it can melt everything with the prosciutto, the spinach, and the beef. Really, really good. This, I think it's too much. And we do like this. It tastes good, really good. Overall. Okay, now I want to roll, and after that roll, I want to tie. Make sure the tie really good like this. Okay, got a lot of stuff over here. Okay. Okay, now we tie. And we start, you see this rope? I put it right over here like this. And we start from over here. And I give one turn like that. And you start tie. And you make another circle. Like this. Okay, I got the gas on already, because I want to make a nice color for the meat. Now, what I do, I put a little oil. And I want to warm up the oil to make it nice hot. And I got some garlic, because I want to give it the good taste, the pinwheel. Oh, it's so beautiful. Now, the oil started to be a little hot. I want to see, I want the garlic to go like this. And I got the oven on already, 400 degree. Okay, we put the garlic, and we see the garlic start frying now. Look there. And when I put the meat, I push the garlic on the side. I don't want the meat to go on top of the garlic. All right. And now it's the time of the meat. And look how beautiful it look already. Okay. And we gotta make a beautiful, beautiful color for the meat. And we put it right in the oven. Okay, now we take it out a couple of minutes, and I want the color to be all nice. And look how beautiful it look already over here. And I want to make it the same all the way around after we put it in the oven. And we give it nice dance. And tonight, nice chin chin and salute. And I want to say salute to everybody. Now, I want to take the garlic out. Okay, see, bone, it give a bad taste for the meat. But this garlic, no worry about it. I not throw away. Because this garlic, for me, it's like candy. Yeah, it's really good. Okay, now we turn around on this other side. I cook more on the other side for a couple of more minutes, and this you gotta go in the oven. Okay, now it's ready. I got the oven at 400 degrees, and let's go in the oven, baby. All right. Okay, good. That's it. Now I wait. I want to slice it. Both. Okay, let's check this. It was stay for 25 minutes. And look how beautiful it look. Really, really nice. We take the oven off. And now we leave it cool off for almost 10 minutes. You gotta relax now. Okay, now this is ready. I left it cool off. And let's bring on my table over here. I want to taste. Okay, let's put it on my board over here. And I want, I hope it come out good. Let's slice a nice piece over here. It's a nice one. Look how beautiful. Really good. Oh, it's the way really I like it. Now, I take it out my little string over here. It's it. And now, let me taste. Boy, look how nice. Ooh. And look there. It's so good. The cheese I was using, it's really perfect. And the prosciutto, and the spinach, it tastes really, really good. It cooks so beautiful, really good. I want to say to everybody, salute e chin chin. I hope somebody make this, okay, look how nice it look. Really good. Salute e chin chin to everybody. Okay, you make this, you let me know. Thank you very much, everybody, and we'll see next recipe. Thank you.
All right, Pat, ready, set, go.
Hello, everybody. Today we make a beef pinwheel. Oh, so beautiful. Okay. That's it. Now I wait. I want to slice it. Boof. I want to boof it tonight.
What's boof?
Boof, mangia, mangia, figlio mio, fai il bello ciut ciut. Tu fai una bella tripicella. E non si glass wine.